So in this video, I am actually going to show you how you can actually start the web development course. And by the way, my name is Juan Paulson, and I am the developer of this platform, and I'm also the trainer, the tutor of um, this web development course. I've actually taught at Aptech Computer Education in Port Harcourt, and I decided to create this platform to train people who would want to learn online, self-paced. They can take their classes at their own time. Everything is online. So I'm going to show you how everything works. So first of all, let me log out. I have to log out. Okay. Now I am logged out. All right. So for you to start this, you should actually sign up. Provide the email address, your password, and confirm your password. Then you create an account. But for me, I've already signed up, so I'll just go on and sign in. Provide my details. Okay, and I'm logged in. Okay, so now, this is what you just have to do. You can scroll down to where you will see web development course. Okay, scroll down to this place. All right, click on it. Then it takes us to the page information, and you can actually click on start for free, or you click this button. Okay, or you can go on to see more details of this course. Okay, so this course actually contains HTML. All right, it contains CSS. These are the topics we are going to be treating in each of them. And it also contains JavaScript and also JavaScript mastery. All right. So now what you just do is click on start for free. All right. And when you come in here, you can just see the description of this. And you can actually click here to make payments. But before then, let me just show you. You can see this whole course contains 4 different courses. And for every course, in this HTML, we have 10 chapters and we have 5 free chapters in it. So for me, I have completed 20% of this course. The CSS has 16 chapters and 1 free chapter. I have not completed any of the chapter here. But for the JavaScript, I have it contains 15 chapters. There are 5 free chapters in it, and I have completed 33% of this course. So, but for the JavaScript mastery, just 20 chapters, 1 free chapter, and I have not paid for any of them, so you can see. So, but what you can do here is this: you can click on any of them that has this start for free, this free class. I can go on to click the HTML, or I can go on to click the JavaScript. Click on anyone that has this free chapter. So if I go on and click, if I go on and click, it would open this HTML for me. So now this is the HTML course, all right? And you can see when you scroll, you can actually see these are the available free chapters because I have not paid, had even I have paid for this course, I will see more chapters here. But for now, these are the available free ones. And you can see these are the chapters in this course. So we have introduction to HTML. For me, I have completed this chapter. You can see it is 100%. I have completed all these sessions because the whole course is divided into chapters and every chapter is divided into sessions. So each of the sessions is where we have the classes. So I will just have to go to here. I have not completed any of this. Okay, so I will just have to go to, what you will do is this. Okay, if you want to see the chapter details, you can just click on, let's say I want to take this semantic HTML. If I click on this one, okay, it will give me the details. All right, it will just give me the details here, and after everything, you can write a test for this chapter. But before you write the test for every chapter, you must have to complete the whole sessions in the chapter. So I can just click on, okay, I can start from here. I can click on basic tags. I click on the basic tags. So what I'll do here, the video is loading. Okay, so you can click on the chapter, then you get the chapter details, but you can click on this drop down. So this drop down will bring out the session. So every session, just click on this on the session title, and I think my network is slow, so I'll just have to reload. I'll have to reload and okay, so the video is here. Okay, so this is just the description of this chapter, this session. Sorry, this is a session. All right, so this is a session. So once you get here, you click on this video to watch the video. Hello. Okay, so after watching the video, you can actually type in your question. Okay, I can say, what is a tag in HTML? In case you have any question, all right, in case you have any question, you can just type in here and send. And I want you to take a look at, once you send, now this is my account, okay? I'm the instructor of this course. So once you send this message, I'm going to get a notification. I already have 85 notifications here. So once you send this message, once you send this question, your question was submitted successfully. And for me, if I have to refresh this page, all right, I'm going to get a notification. Now, this notification will come to me as the instructor. So once I open this notification, you can see that it says a question has been asked. So me, that is the instructor, I'm going to go to it and take a look at the question that you have asked. Then whenever I reply, if you open this down, you'll see that there is no answer yet. But whenever I reply, answer this question, you will get a notification that the question you asked has been answered. Okay, so after doing this, you can like it, you can dislike it, you can rate it. All right, you can rate it and submit your rating. You can make any comment. This is a comment somebody made. Okay, so I think this is the person's assignment or something. So this is a comment. So you can make a comment. All right, and then after watching this video, all right, you have to write a test. Okay, so you just have to click on this quick test. Just click on it and it will drop down. Then answer the questions. All right. If you don't score up to 7, you will not pass. So 7 is the pass mark. So if I try to submit now, of course, it's going to be 0. So if you don't score up to 7, you will not pass. So you cannot go to the next session. And after you pass the test, you can come here and write your assignment. You say create a web page with a heading and some. So this is the assignment. All right. So once your assignment, you just put it in here and submit. Once there is something in here, then you will submit. Okay. Once you submit, and me as the instructor, I will get a notification and I will look at your assignment and give a remark, either pass it or I will let you know whether you got it or not. Okay. So this is it. So you take this test. If you pass it, then you cannot go to the next session. But if you try to go to the next session right now, the next session will not be available to you. The next session will not be available to you because you have not completed the previous session. So the next session will not be available to you. So how are you sure that you completed the previous session? Is when you pass the test. So if you don't pass this test, all right, you are not going to the next session. So make sure you watch the video, all right? Then if you have any question you ask, like, rate, whatever, however you want to go about it, you can see 4 students have completed this session. So you write your test. If you pass the test, if you score at least 7/10, that's a pass mark, then you cannot go to the next session. You can also try to do your assignment, and that is it. So this is how you go about it. And if I click here, you can go to the next session from here if you have completed the previous session. And once you complete it, you will get this icon. Okay, so this is how you go about it. So if you want to go to the next, if you want to take another course of this course, if you want to go to another one, you can just come in here All right, we just went to HTML. So let me go to JavaScript. Okay, I click on JavaScript. It comes here just the same way. 59 students have completed this, taken this class. So you can see all these ones, I have completed them. And because I have not paid, so I cannot have access to the other ones. I've completed all these ones. Okay, so but for you, you have not completed it. Okay, you just have to click on this, click on what is JavaScript. All right, then you take your first class. So if you click on the chapter title, it takes you to the chapter page where you see the chapter details. But if you click on this drop down arrow button, all right, you can now click on each of them. So when you click on what is JavaScript, all right, you play the video to watch, type in your question and rate, submit, rate or you like or you dislike. And you can, if you have any comment, you can type in any comment here. Because I have written this test, I'm being shown the questions and the answers. All right, so this is, for me, I have written this test. All right, and that is how it works. So please, if you do not understand anything here, if you find it difficult, please reach out to me. And how do you make payment? So if you want to make payment, now you have to do is to click on this. Click on this enroll button. Once you click on this enroll button, all right, it will ask you select payment option. You can pay from your wallet or you can pay with Paystack. But for you, you don't have any money in your wallet, so there's no need. Go to pay with Paystack. You can include the amount you want to pay for. Okay, you want to pay for, you click on pay with Paystack. Once you do that, it will take you to open a new browser. It will open a new browser for you, and it will load Paystack interface. So choose any payment method you want, transfer card, bank, USSD, however you want it. And whenever you are done, you click on pay. And once you do that, it will redirect you to the page. But because I am not going to make any payment here, after you are done and Paystack tells you that your payment is successful, you have to close this window. Whether you're using mobile or anyone, close this window and it will return you to this page. And it will also give you the, now, my own was abandoned, but if your own was successful, it will tell you that your payment was successful. But for me, I abandoned it and it has reloaded. Okay, so basically this is how it goes. And if you find anything difficult, please reach out to me. Okay, thank you very much. And I'll be waiting to hear from you.